こんにちは。フランスでの滞在も少しずついつもの暮らしになってきました。今日はそんな小さな日常を一緒に覗いていただけたら嬉しいです。Windy. Hold on tight. Oh wow. Let's see.
Non, c'est à peu près pareil. C'est 1900. 1900. Ouais, 1900, 1900. Nous avons très droit.
Anything I see.
Ce n'est pas tout ça. Non, là c'est du verre. Ah oui.
Let's see.
Beautiful.
That is good find. Christopher. Yes.
Yes. J'aime bien la réception.
Ask what is spec.
It's got something anyway. You think with the
Pâte
pistache.
pistachio ne pâte
En
campagne. Maybe yeah, this one.
It's nice, yeah.
That looks
It's
good.
a two thick slices.
The goods, okay.
Intéressant.
Definitely. Let's try it. What a treat, isn't it? Cheese, isn't it? So pétanque is pétanque 4 centimeters from here to here. That's much more precise.
Yeah.
We are measuring this one,
Yeah,
so
we
much
were, yeah.
that gives us
A
longer.
bit more, isn't
That's good. And then koto, 10 centimeters.
it? Yeah, yeah. 3 more.
Interesting.
That's a bit theoretical.
I don't think we catch anything.
What were they?
It's good. What do you want to drink?
That's okay. Not like it. Well, about the 3G. Ooh, struggling. That's nice of something.
Come. She did put it nicely, didn't she? Right.
Oh, that was
This
great.
is the new That is good.
Oh, delicious.
Delicious. Yes, please. Thank you. This is pistachio.
Yeah. Good.
Wow. So the Finosa pistachio.
Love it.
Very good.
Gorgeous.
That's good.
How's it here, man?
Oh, smell.
Nice. Where's, did I have about that much?
Yeah, that'll do. So Christmas special still going. It's nice. That must be very popular.
there's some bigger ones behind.
Yeah. So I have to let go now. Okay. He's gone now. Mustard necessary. And I can find it. Okay. Oh. Yes. It will be solid inside in the fridge. Lots of prawn. Look at that.
Yeah, I know, it's quite a lot, isn't